what we're doing is producing some brackets and some wheels for a project that Megan and her team are planning in their engineering project. These are the wheel cutouts and the bracket cutouts, and I'm in the midst of drilling some of the holes right now, and we'll go over to the CNC router and see what's going on here. So all the holes have now been drilled. So what I plan to do is first drill all the small drill holes, either 8-inch drill holes. Now that part is now complete. The next stage will be the smaller inner spoke holes, I call them, in each wheel. So we'll do that. These are 1/2-inch diameter. And then the next stage will be to cut out the wheel cutouts, of which there are 8, as you can see here. And I've programmed in these holding tabs so that the wheels don't fly off once the the milling bit gets down to the bottom of the bottom of the material. And the final stage will be the brackets, and I will do them in 4 steps. I will do the bottommost set first, then the next, and then go working my way up to the top. Because I have to hold this down, the interesting thing about this is we're using cutting board material, a standard out of the hardware cutting board material, and it's approximately 10.75 by 8 1/4, and that's the work area we're working with. So, so the next stage, the second stage of our milling, will be the spoke holes, and I will start that routine right now, and we'll have a look at it. This routine takes about a little over 3 minutes to complete for the eight wheels. This is a 1/4-inch thick cutting board, valued at approximately $3.50. So, it's a fairly expensive project, as you can well imagine. Three to go. 8 wheels, 40 holes. So the next stage of our cutting procedure will be to do the wheel cutouts, so of which there are 8. So I will run this file now and we'll have a look at things. Here we go. So far, so good. Programmed to do 5 passes to cut out each wheel, and leaving tabs, support tabs, so the wheel doesn't fly away. Uh-oh, lost that one. That's not good. I was hoping it might stay. Well, so far so good. I still think the wheels will be alright though. I didn't make the tabs thick enough. There's another one. Gonna fly off? No. Last one. All right. 4 out of 8 stayed in place. Let's have a look at them and see if they all survive. So we have the wheels cut out, the spoke holes, and the center holes drilled. We're now going to do start with the brackets, and we'll start with the bottommost 2 brackets first. So I will start this now, and run that and see what happens. So far so good. Bracket number 1. The brackets are 5 inches in length. And there's holes drilled 1/2 inch in from each end. Holes are separated by 4 inches. So that completes the first set of brackets, and now I'll load the next two. The reason I'm doing it in this way is because I'm concerned that the integrity of the whole board will be compromised if I did them in any other order. So I wanted to maintain the strength of the board and use that strength to support each cut phase. So anyway, that's why I'm working from the outside, working in toward the center with the brackets. And now we will start the next two set of brackets up. Now set number 3, starting row number 3 of brackets. Okay, the final set of brackets we're about to cut out now, and here we go. Okay, let's have a look at the project now. I'll just go over here and raise the machine and move it back so I can unclamp. So what we have, it's a very flimsy, understandably, but it stood up. The main thing is the individual pieces stayed in place while the cutting took place. I'll be able to trim all this off and sand them up, and they'll be nice and smooth when they're finished. So the project needs a total of 12 brackets. I've made 8 from this cutting board. I'll make another 4 from another material. It's somewhat thinner, but should do the job. So there you go, Megan. I hope that your project is a success with you and your team, and I hope these pieces are put to good use. Thank you and good luck.